Are you looking for the 5 best budget gaming PCs you can buy today, ranked 2023? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best budget gaming PCs you can buy today, ranked 2023 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Alienware Aurora Ryzen Edition R10. Alienware Aurora Ryzen Edition R10 is a solid gaming PC. It packs some of the latest AMD Ryzen 7 processing power and is upgradable thanks to its compatibility with Intel's LGA 1151 socket CPU. The price may seem high initially, but it becomes much more accessible with its 1-year comprehensive warranty covering accidental damage. With all these options and affordable pricing, this is one of the best budget gaming PCs you can buy today. It has 8GB of RAM, which you can expand later as your needs change, a 1TB HDD for plenty of storage space, and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti GPU. However, just because it's an older graphics card doesn't mean it can't keep up with the latest games. For an extra $98, you can upgrade to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. If you have extra cash, you can add a secondary, solid-state drive for faster program launching and boot times for just $49 more, bringing the total price to just under $1,250. If you prefer liquid cooling for your components, you can add it for $30 to your build. Bluetooth 5.0 for connecting wireless peripherals such as mice, keyboards, and headsets, as well as dual-band Wi-Fi for fast internet speeds during online gaming sessions, are included in the base build. Number 2. Omen 25 liters Gaming Desktop PC. The HP Omen 25 liters is a high-performance gaming PC that allows easy updates and upgrades. You can adjust the settings on this machine to fit your needs, whether you want to play games or need more power for other tasks. It features an Intel Core i5-12400 processor from the 12th generation, which is a fantastic mid-range gaming CPU with 6 P-cores and 12 threads that can overclock like nobody's business. You'll have no trouble completing everyday tasks, and it's a gaming workhorse. Of course, pairing that processor with NVIDIA RTX 3050 graphics makes this machine a 1080p gaming champion, though higher resolutions will cost you a frame rate. With only DDR4 RAM and a PCIe 3.0 SSD, this gaming PC isn't quite full-featured. However, it has everything you need to start playing PC games with 8GB of memory and 256GB of storage space. Want to scale? HP Omen 25 liters has plenty of custom upgrades and a fairly large PC case that lets you easily swap out your component. HP Omen is great for gamers who like Team Red because it comes in several AMD configurations. But fans of NVIDIA's RTX line can also use it because it can be set up to an RTX 2070 Super GPU. Once it's all set up, the Omen 25 liters costs as much as many high-end gaming PCs in their mid-range configuration, except that HP's version has more memory and storage space because it has multiple drives. Number 3. Acer Predator Orion 3000. Want a gaming PC that can handle basic gameplay but doesn't cost a fortune? Acer Predator Orion 3000 base model is your best bet. Going for less than $1,000, this machine can be configured with as much as a 1080 Ti GPU. You won't get a 4 Kelvin performance at 60 FPS, but you will play many games at a good resolution. If you're looking for an affordable option and want some customization, this is the best one on the market today. If you want an upgrade path, this computer has enough room for an M2 drive for future expansion. As with all pre-built systems, a keyboard and mouse are included. That's not usually the case when you build your system from scratch, so it's worth mentioning if you don't have those things handy. Even though it's a powerful gaming PC with good potential for piecemeal upgrades in the future, the Predator Orion 3000 seconds chassis isn't huge like some other gaming PCs. It's been thoughtfully designed to fit next to a monitor or under a desk, and the front and side panels have vents so that it stays cool. It also has the gamer aesthetic everyone wants, with RGB lighting and a big, triangular power button that feels great to press. Number 4. MSI Trident 310 sub divided by sub. With its best-in-class performance, MSI Trident 310 sub divided by sub is one of the best compact gaming PCs you can buy. It has everything you need to play your favorite games, and more, with the ability to add a dedicated graphics card if you want to take on even more challenges. The Trident 3 features an Intel Core processor with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and up to 1TB of storage space. Thanks to its power and portability, you can take his PC anywhere. if looks are just as important to you as power. You might like the MSI Trident 310, especially if you like a gaming style look. The angular tower is about the same size as a home console, so it won't take up too much space on your desk and could even fit into a TV stand if you'd rather play games on the couch with a controller. It comes with a base that you can take off if you'd rather stand it up. It's not just about how it looks. This small gaming PC has 10th generation Intel Core processors and the best NVIDIA RTX and GTX graphics, costing less than its competitors. It's even cheaper than many gaming PCs on this list since an Intel Core i7 Plus RTX 2060 Super Plus 16GB RAM configuration costs much less than an HP Omen 25 liters with the same spec. This is the best budget gaming PC for you if you want to get the most out of your space and money. Number 5. HP Pavilion. The HP Pavilion is an all-around computer, perfect for both work and play. It has a sleek, modern design that looks great in your home or on your desk at the office. The base configuration costs less than $800 a steal for a pre-built gaming PC. The HP Pavilion gaming desktop keeps the gamer's look to a minimum. A compact chassis and refined LED lighting along the base make HP Pavilion looks just as good in an office as in a game room. So, if you want a machine you can play on and use for work, this is it. You can kill two birds with one stone and save even more money.